Hi, Angel. This question is challenging. Um, the way I work on it is to analyze the structure of the compound statement. The bracket is a grouping symbol, so the bigger structure of the statement is a negation. I go backwards, so I get a structure of the truth value table set up because the common statement only involves two component statements P and Q. So the table is going to have 5 rows. The first row, we have P and Q. The next four rows are going to be the 4 cases. Remember, T, 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 F, F, T, F, F. And I go, this kind of problem, I go backwards. I start from the target statement. The target statement here is a negation. Is the negation of the bracket, whatever inside the bracket. So in order to know the truth values for the negation, we have to know the truth value for whatever inside the bracket, right? So the column preceding the last column is going to be whatever inside the parentheses. Inside the bracket. Inside the bracket we have, let me see. We have negation P or not Q. Oh, hold on. Let me redo this. It's very long. So, in the bracket we have negation P or not Q, or negation not P or Q. So that's whatever inside the bracket, right? Now let's analyze the structure of this one. This is a disjunction of two pieces. The first piece I can color it in pink. And second piece I can color maybe blue, right? So we know in this column we're gonna have whatever inside the bracket. So remember, this is the statement in the bracket, and this statement is a disjunction. It is a disjunction, remember. And the two pieces in disjunction, one piece is the pink, the other is the blue. So I'm gonna write the pink here. It's negation P or not Q. And this is a negation of negation P or Q. Let me double check. It's very long. Negation P or not Q. This is not P or Q. Okay. So this is the blue. This is the pink. So now we're gonna break it down. The pink is a negation, right? We really need to make this table longer. I'm going to extend on the left side. I probably need to move this part further away. And I have more space. Okay, so this is P, this is Q. I hope the space is enough this time. F. So now let's do the pink. The pink is a negation. pink is the negation, so I would do the P1 not Q here. Then the pink would be the negation of the preceding column. And the blue is negation of not P or Q. And the blue would be the negation of this column. I mean this one. I'll label that and then explain, okay? And also in order, I'm going to add 2 more columns for not P, not Q. And that should be enough for us to figure out the truth values for the target statement. So let me label the column. This is column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I label them, then when I explain, maybe easier for you to understand. So what happened is, column 10, our target statement, is a negation of column 9. And column 9 is a disjunction of 7 and 8. The 2 pieces in the disjunction is 7 and 8. And 7 is a negation of 6, right? And 8 is a negation of 5. Okay? And 5 and 6, the 2 pieces, not P is right here, column 3. And in column 6, not Q is column 4. So that's enough. This is how we set up the structure. Let's fill in the cells, the blanks. This time earlier we go from right to the left, right? Now we're gonna go from left to the right when we fill in the columns. So not P, column 3. Column 3 is a negation of column 1. So when P is T, not P is F. So look at just take the opposite of column 1. So I have F, F, T, T, right? And column 4 is a negation of column 2. So column 2 is T, so here's F. When column 2 is F, here's T, so F, T. All right, now look at column 5. So very important, column 5 is the disjunction of column 3 and column 2. Double check. Column 5 is the disjunction of column 3 and column 2, not P and Q. So let me color it, this one and this one, okay? So we're gonna take the disjunction on the 2 yellow columns. Remember, for a disjunction to be false, the only case that make a disjunction is false is both of the 2 pieces have to be false, right? Do we have that? Yes, we do. The second case, so this is case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. So in case 2, column 2 and column 3 both are false. That make this disjunction false. And all other cases, this disjunction is true, T, T, T. Right? Remember that? The only case in which a disjunction is false is when both pieces are false. In this case, the 2 pieces are column 2 and column 3. If you like, you can label the number on top of the table if that helps. Yeah, that might help better. So 2 and 3, so the only case is case 2. Both pieces are false, so this disjunction is false. Now let's look at the column 6. Column 6 is also disjunction. Disjunction of column 1 and column 4. Alright, so let me change a color. Let's do this purple. Column 1, this is a 1. Column 1 and column 4. So column 6 is the disjunction of 1 and 4. Again, for disjunction to be false, both pieces have to be false. And look at the 2 purple. Do we have both false? case 3, right? Case 3 is false. Both pieces are false, so the disjunction is false. And all other cases, at least one is true, so they are T, T, T. All right, we're making good progress. Now let's look at column 7. Column 7 is negation of column 6. Column 7 is negation, let me double check, of column 6. Yeah, so just look at the preceding column. When column 6 is T, so this is F, T is F, this is F is T, T is F, okay. And column 7, the blue column, is the negation of, column 7 is the negation of, let's see, not P or Q, 5. Negation of 5, okay? Is negation 5. Column 8 is negation of 5. A little bit far away. So if you are afraid that you are losing the track, just use a color pen, just remind yourself. So column 8 is a negation of 5. Okay, so let's take the opposite of truth value. So TF, FT, TF, TF. Very good. Now column 9 is a disjunction of 7 and 8. So 7 or 8. Okay, the two columns preceding column 9. So 9 is disjunction of 7 and 8. And look at the bottom, I have 7 and 8 on the bottom labeled. So 9 is disjunction of 7 and 8. Again, disjunction, for disjunction to be false, both pieces have to be false. So we have the first case, yes, both pieces are false. Oh, this one, case 4 also, both pieces are false. And the other two should be true. And the last column, we're getting there. Column 10 is the negation of column 9. Column 9 is preceding column 10. So we take a negation, FT, TF, TF, FT. Wow, this is a lot of work. I agree. So I don't see you send me a link of the Pearson. You only attach me a picture. So this is the result, the process. I hope this helps.